W is written in many ways. The stroke here is not advisable. A stroke outside is also not. Here you will see that it has taken curves on both the sides. It is okay to go with, but we will be training you on some another form of writing W. This seems to be right, but what is wrong here? Let me show you. This line is coming like this. This one is crossing here, this one is here, and this one is here. And here you will see one end is sharp, wherein the other end is curved. If all these are not good to go with, then what is the correct form? Let us learn the correct one. Start with a small arrow shaped line and then coming down straight. Remember, you're coming down straight first. Then take a slant line, come down straight, and then again a slant line. And then make a knot and swirl outside. Come down straight, slant line, come down straight, and slant line. In case if you're making a slant writing, so this line is going to help you with the slant look. So you're coming down as a straight line, going up slant, not till the blue line, and then coming down again as back slant, and making a small knot and swirl out. This is also a way of making straight W, which also looks very decent and can be followed for people with straight cursive handwriting. In this case, you'll observe that these both the lines are coming down straight. So unlike the previous W which I have shown you, wherein we came down as straight line, slant line, again straight line, and slant line. So this will help you to go with the slant look. One plus point here is this can also go with the straight handwriting, because in this case you have these two lines which are straight. So this can go well along with the straight pattern of writing as well.
That's all for today. To watch the videos in series, kindly like and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, happy writing!